Welcome back to Decor Insider. If you live in a small apartment, you probably know the challenge of creating a living room that feels both cozy and stylish without looking cramped. Truth is, small spaces have so much potential when designed with the right ideas in mind. In today's video, I will share 15 cozy and stylish small apartment living room ideas from an interior designer's perspective. These are practical, beautiful, and easy-to-follow tips that can completely transform your living space. So let's dive right in and unlock the secrets of making your small living room both functional and inviting. Light colors and neutrals. One of the simplest and most effective ways to make a small living room feel larger is through color. Stick to light tones like soft white, warm beige, pale gray, or gentle pastels. These shades reflect more natural light, which instantly makes the space feel airy. For example, a white sofa against a light gray wall paired with a beige rug creates a calm and spacious look. Don't worry, light colors don't mean boring. You can still add personality with textures and small pops of color through accessories. Multifunctional furniture. When working with limited space, every piece of furniture should earn its spot. Think of a coffee table that doubles as storage, or an ottoman that works as extra seating and a footrest. A sofa bed is another great option, especially for apartments where you need an extra sleeping area for guests. Multifunctional furniture saves space, reduces clutter, and makes the room work smarter without sacrificing style. Wall-mounted shelves. Floor space is precious in small apartments, so take advantage of vertical space. Wall-mounted shelves are perfect for holding books, plants, or decorative objects while keeping the floor clear. They add visual height to the room and make the ceiling feel taller. Floating shelves above the sofa or near a corner can create stylish displays while serving a practical purpose. Mirrors. Mirrors are a classic interior design trick for small living rooms. By reflecting both natural and artificial light, they make the room look brighter and more open. A large mirror behind the sofa or across from a window can visually double the space. You can even use a group of smaller mirrors in different shapes for a more decorative look while still keeping the illusion of depth. Floating furniture. Many people push their furniture against walls to make the room look bigger, but in reality, floating a sofa or a couple of chairs slightly away from the wall creates a better sense of flow. This technique adds dimension to the room, making it feel like there's more breathing space. Even in a tiny apartment, a small rug and a floating sofa can define the area without feeling boxed in. Area rugs. Never underestimate the power of a good rug. An area rug not only brings warmth and comfort but also helps define the living room within an open-plan apartment. Go for rugs in light tones or soft patterns that complement your furniture. A cozy rug under the sofa and coffee table creates a zone that feels grounded, even in a studio apartment. Open shelving or glass cabinets. Closed, heavy cabinets can make small rooms feel boxed in. Instead, go for open shelving or glass front storage units. These keep the room feeling light while still offering storage. A glass cabinet can display your favorite books, glassware, or decor while keeping everything tidy. Transparency of glass reduces the visual weight, which is key in small living rooms. Scent pillows and throws. Accessories are your best friends in small living rooms. Scent pillows and throws add comfort and personality without cluttering the space. Play with different textures like knitted throws, velvet cushions, or patterned fabrics. The best part? They can be easily switched out seasonally or when you want a fresh new look without buying big pieces of furniture. Layered lighting. Relying on just one overhead light can make a room feel flat. Instead, layer your lighting by mixing ceiling lights with floor lamps, table lamps, and even wall sconces. This creates depth and warmth, making the space much more inviting. A small apartment can instantly feel luxurious when lit properly. Warm bulbs are especially great for giving that cozy evening glow. Plants and greenery. Adding plants brings life into a small living room. Whether it's a tall snake plant in the corner, a hanging planter, or a few succulents on a shelf, greenery freshens up the space. Plants not only purify the air but also soften sharp corners and add natural texture. Even if you don't have a green thumb, there are plenty of low-maintenance plants perfect for apartments. Foldable or stackable chairs. Extra seating is often a challenge in small apartments. Foldable or stackable chairs are the perfect solution. Keep them tucked away in a corner or closet and bring them out only when needed. There are many stylish designs available today, so you don't have to compromise on looks. This way, you're always prepared for guests without crowding your living room. Curtains instead of blinds. Blinds can sometimes make a window feel harsh, while light, flowing curtains soften the space and add warmth. Choose curtains in sheer or lightweight fabrics that let in natural light. Floor-to-ceiling curtains also create the illusion of taller ceilings, which is a big win for small apartments. Soft textures like linen or cotton in neutral tones can complete the cozy look. Use of textures. When working with a small space, textures can create visual richness without adding bulk. Mix materials like velvet cushions, wool rugs, leather poofs, and wooden tables. This variety adds depth to the room and keeps it from feeling flat. For example, a soft fabric sofa paired with a wooden coffee table and a fluffy rug creates a balanced, cozy atmosphere. Personal art and photos. Finally, make your living room truly yours by adding personal touches. Display a few pieces of art, travel souvenirs, or family photos. Just remember not to overcrowd the walls. A gallery wall with 3 or 4 carefully chosen frames or a single large piece of artwork can add character without overwhelming the space. These details turn your apartment into a home filled with warmth and personality.